Yun po. So, galing po kami ng wife ko and yung anak kong bunso sa SNR today. Nag-grocery po ng konti, no? So, syempre, when we talk about SNR, may pizza po dyan eh. May pizza, merong chicken, merong pasta, pero hindi naman po kami order ng pasta. So, isang slice ng pizza, alam niyo naman po kung gaano kalaki yung pizza sa SNR, no? Isang slice ng pizza, I think combo flavor yata yung in-order ko. And then one piece of chicken. Yung salad po na nakita niyo sa video, half po nun, ako po yung kumain. And then meron pong french fries doon. So yung fries, I ate probably 4 to 5 sticks of french fries. Syempre dinip ko siya rin sa mayonnaise ng SNR. Alam niyo naman na masarap ang mayonnaise ng SNR. So we ate around siguro mga 12 or mga 12:15 ng tanghali, no? Doon na kami kumain ng lunch. So now it's exactly 2:25 I mean. So it's been 2 hours and 10 minutes or probably 2 hours and 15 minutes, no? So yeah, sisilipin ko po kung ano po yung blood sugar po natin. So again, no, ang threshold po natin is 140. So kung papasok po siya ng 140 and below, then it's a good eat. Pero again, no, hanggat maaari mas mababa, mas maganda po eh. Let's go ahead and check. And we'll see kung pwede ba siya or hindi para sa type 2 diabetic person. Here you go. Boom! Oh my goodness! 196. So, na-late pa po yan ng mga 10 to 15 minutes, no? So, siguro kung saktong 2 hours, more than 200 po yan. So, most likely bumaba na po siya. Pwede. Or pwedeng mamaya pa po siya on the 3rd hour bago po siya bumaba. Pero anyways, hindi po recommended yung kinain ko sa SNR. So, siguro kung walang pizza, kung ang kinain ko is chicken and salad lang. So, I think that would do, no? Pero since yung pizza, alam nyo naman, as I've mentioned, alam nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yung isang slice. So, I think yun. Yeah, so, yun, na-share ko lang po. And, you try SNR at your own risk. But of course, sa akin, hindi po maganda yung impact. See you guys in the next vlog. Good day.